Hi, I'm Doug from Hondata and I'm at my favorite place down at the dyno today with a 2023 Acura Integra A-Spec. The results for our baseline computers are in, and it's really interesting. It looks like Acura has made quite an aggressive tune for this 23 Integra, and it makes 236 horsepower, a little more than what they quote, but it makes 14 horsepower more than the stock 22 Civic Si. Well, the preliminary results from tuning with Hondata FlashPro have just come in. We've picked up 1 to 2 peak horsepower, which isn't surprising given how much power this Integra made from the get-go, and the torque has increased from 230 pound-feet of torque to 260 pound-feet of torque. That's a 30 pound-feet of torque increase, which is really good. It's very wide, it's going to improve the drivability a huge amount. There are 3 things that would improve this vehicle: higher octane fuel, a stronger clutch, and more progressive and detailed tuning with the Hondata FlashPro. So stay tuned.